Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a beautiful 1963 Nova SS, all original metal except 1/4. That's very rare on these little beauties. Remember, we're doing this video for you today so you can make a great buying decision and investment. And also, we do this video free of charge where our competitors charge. And don't forget, you're dealing with 100% satisfied customers. Come on up, let's take a look. You're looking at a beautiful 350 motor that's an absolute tip-top shape. Front disc brakes, HEI ignition, just a little dynamite car hooked up to a 350 turbo trans as well. Everything works on the car, and we're going to drop the hood, walk you around, and show you the paint and body. You're looking at a beautiful burgundy paint job, basically flawless paint. Same as the bumpers. Body panels, door fits and everything are really nice on the car. Just a beautiful straight automobile here with ProStar wheels. Absolutely clean vehicles, you can tell by our pictures and also our video here. I'm going to open the trunk so we can check out, see what's inside there next. Inside we have a beautiful sanitary trunk. We have a 10-disc CD changer in a beautiful car. Going down the passenger side, it looks absolutely straight, no waves, as you can tell by the pictures. These little cars don't last in good condition, so call Tom today at 248-974-9513. Check out the beautiful black interior, stock console shifter, AM/FM cassette with a CD in the trunk, beautiful headliner. I don't see any flaws in the interior, it's absolutely beautiful. Remember, don't wait when you see one you like, because I can't tell you how many times I get the call, I should have called you sooner. Alright, Aubrey, let's go for a ride in this bad 63 Nova SS. It is absolutely awesome. I love the shifter too that they put in here. You got a control up here for the CD. You got your AM/FM cassette. Beautiful dash, in-dash tack somebody put in. Really did a nice job on this little 63. Remember, these are hard to find, and if you were to do one yourself, you're going to have thousands upon thousands invested before they look like this. So call Tom today and get one for the fraction of the cost at 248-974-9513. And do yourself a favor, go to VanguardMotorsales.com and become social subscribers on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook so you can see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public. And also, if you plan on buying a classic muscle car, go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online, so you don't get burned by any of these scams out there. Once again, my name is Tom Fotios. I'm available 7 days a week to put your dream in your driveway. Call me today at 248-974-9513. Stay tuned for the next pass at Vanguard Motorcycles.